Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word messenger. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I received an urgent message from the messenger this morning. A messenger is someone who delivers messages or important information from one person to another, usually through verbal or written communication. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.